Hello, hi, my name is Mary Kay, and yes, those are my feet. Today we'll be making these really cute socks or house slippers. What you're going to need is, of course, a tape measure. I'll be using a 3.5 millimeter hook and acrylic yarn. So the measurements you're going to make for the length of your leg, foot, and then the width from here all the way to the other side, from ankle to ankle, I would say. So yeah, thank you for stopping by, and then let's dive in. Step 1, make a slip knot, and then as for my size, I'm going to chain 38 and a chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. So I'm going to chain 38 for me. 38. Now that you have your 38 stitches, we're going to skip the first 3, and after skipping those, you're going to turn your work because we'll be working on the back loops. So we'll be working double crochets. You're going to put 3 double crochets in this stitch. So for double crochet is you yarn over, you insert your hook on that loop, pull through, and then you'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over again and pull through the next 2. So that is the first one. You need to put 3 in that loop. Three double crochets in that loop. Okay, and then you're going to count your stitches. 1, 2, 3. In this one, you're going to single crochet. You're going to single crochet in that stitch, and then chain 2. 1, 2. And then you're going to put 3 more single crochets in the next stitch. 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, and on the third one, put a single crochet. Chain 2, 3 single crochets, count 1, 2, 3, on the third one, single crochet, and you're going to repeat that until you get to the end of the length that you need for your shoe. I am at the end of my row and I only have 3 stitches left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 double crochets in this stitch, and then I'll single crochet at the end because I only have 3. So I'll put 2 double crochets instead of the usual 3. Now 1, 2 single crochet into the last one, chain 2, and turn your work. 1, 2, and turn. So now this is the tricky part. I'm going to put 1 single crochet in the same chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same, and then after that you're going to count 1, 2. The last one I put 2, but if your stitches were enough for 3, then go ahead. If it was enough for just one double crochet, then it's still okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to, in the last stitch, the stitch farthest from you, not this one, but you count 1, 2, and then you're going to do it's called a back post, I think, and then you're going to make a single crochet in that stitch, chain 2, 1, 2. When you do that, you realize that there's a stitch that is now behind this stitch. You're going to put 3 double crochets as usual, 3 double crochets, and then these are the other 3 double crochets that you had. So you're going to count 1, 2, and the third double crochet, the one farthest from you, that's where you're going to put your single crochet, chain 2, put 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets, and then you go again to the third one, put a single crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and repeat that, and I'll meet you once you're at the last one, so that we keep it straight, so that we don't end up increasing. I'll meet you there. I am at the end of this stitch. I'm at the last one. So what you're still going to do is you're going to get to the third, the one that is away from you, the third double crochet, single crochet, chain 2. Now, for the purposes of keeping the stitch straight, for the purpose of that, I'm going to put only 1 single crochet on this side. 1 double crochet, sorry, I'm going to only put 1 double crochet on this side, chain 2 to turn, and then I'll put 2 double crochets here, 2 double crochets, and then continue with the same pattern. You count 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the third one, the one that is farthest from you, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and you keep repeating that, and I'll see you at the other end and show you how to keep that edge straight too. Also, if you know the name to this pattern, please let me know. I'm at the end of my row, and on this side we're still going to do the same thing. You put your single crochet, chain 2, and then you put in your 1 double crochet, chain 2, and turn. Now here you are going to put 2 double crochets, just like the other side, 2 double crochets, and then you put your single crochet, chain 2, and then you put your double crochets, chain 2, double crochets all the way to the end, and then you're going to do you're going to repeat the same thing however long you want your shoe to be. I'll meet you once I am done with my portion. So I am done with the length that I needed. It's 9 inches, 8.5, yeah, 8.5 inches long, and 7.3 or something like that. So the last row, so that we'll be able to make it into a shoe, we're going to be decreasing. So you're going to chain 2 as usual and turn. So initially we were putting 2 double crochets here, but you're going to just put 1 double crochet, 1. We go ahead and do the single crochet, chain 2, chain 2, and then you put 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each. Where you are supposed to put 3 double crochets, you'll be putting 1 double crochet, and it's going to act as a decrease. So 1 double crochet, and then single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, 1 double crochet, Yep, just like that. So when you get to the last one, you're just going to do the usual chain one and pull through. So make sure you leave a long strand of yarn so that you're going to attach this part and the other part. So leave a very long yarn, well, not too long, but a long piece of yarn. Yeah, I'll leave that. You pull it tight, and then this is when you're going to need your yarning needle. So once you do that, you'll need to attach this part to make a shoe out of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert this, pull it out the other side. I'll just keep doing that so that I can bring it together. You put it inside and then outside, in, out, and then you keep doing that until you get to the end of your piece of fabric, and then just pull. Yeah, you just pull. So after you do that, you're going to attach these two parts so that they stay put, and you can use any method that you want. You can use the matrix stitch or any other stitch that you're comfortable with to attach the two pieces together. So once you do that, okay, so once you do that, I've gone back and forth to make sure that it's tight and snug. You're just going to do the same thing that you did here, all the way from the tip to the center. That is the same thing that you're going to do at the back, and then you do the same thing for your other shoe, maybe your left or right, and then you're going to have two cute shoes. I'll see you when I'm done with both of my shoes. Okay, once you're done attaching all the sides, the back and the front, this is what you should have. You weave in your ends, all of them, then you could maybe turn your work to the side that is pleasing to you, and this is how they're both going to look when you wear them. There you are. That is how they're both going to look. Super cute. Well, after you weave in your ends, you're going to have a very beautiful sock or house slipper. So if you liked the video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and leave me a comment of what you want to do, what you want me to do next. Thank you.